my feet closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everybody's having a great day out there. I am in Boston today, guys, and man, I forget how much I love this city. This is an amazing city. It's so clean, it's so nice, it's so beautiful up here. The foliage is going on into the water right now from my hotel room, as I'm going to be showing you guys here in a little bit. It's just awesome. Classic New England. I absolutely love this city. The trees are changing colors. You can see the classic bridges over here, the water, the sun's setting right now. It's just absolutely beautiful. You can't ask for a better day. If you guys haven't been to Boston, though, definitely check it out. It's such a nice city. It's so clean. There's a lot of history here with sports history, just American history. Great sports town. You got the Red Sox, the Bruins, and the Celtics. It's a really awesome time. We actually came up here one time and did a little couples trip. A couple years ago, we stayed at the Encore. I think we're going to try and come up here again, though, for another couples trip. My parents are coming up in January from Florida to see the kids, so maybe we'll get away again, come up here for the weekend, a couple days or so, just have some time for ourselves. We absolutely love this city. It's so great, so clean, so rich, and it's just amazing. I love it up here. I'm staying here at the DoubleTree. I'll go ahead and show you my room. My room's absolutely gorgeous. It's awesome. It's huge. You walk in, there's a fold-out Murphy bed, which I'll show you guys. There's pretty much two portions, so if you're staying with a family or friends or something, I'm in a room right now, and I'm in my own secluded room. There's a barn door right here that closes, and you have your own TV. You walk in, there's another TV, a Murphy bed. So there's kind of two areas in this room. You got two beds and two TVs, and like I said, the main room's got a door, so you can kind of sectionalize that off if you're with friends or family or stuff. So it's a really nice room. I've never seen a Murphy bed in a hotel room, and it was a really nice feature, really cool. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that and show you this room that I'm staying in here in Boston. All right, guys, welcome to my room here in Boston at the DoubleTree. So you walk in, this is what you see when you walk into the door. You got a couch area, got a menu here. Looks like there's a restaurant on site. So there's a look at the menu, options for food. Got a nice little couch area, pretty full-size couch with an L. And then Boston loads are rolling. And then there's nice wallpaper throughout the room. This is a pretty cool feature right here. So there's a Murphy bed right here. So this goes into this wall right here, which is pretty cool. I've never seen this in a hotel. It's nice and soft. Pretty good size. Got a mirror over here. Pan over to the left. We got a little workstation, desk, doing a little editing there. Got another TV right here. There's two TVs in the room. There's two beds in the room. I'll go show you guys that here later on. Let's get back deeper into the room. You can probably see the TV right now deeper into the room. So we're gonna be walking through here. We got some tile throughout. This is kind of like the little kitchen area, if you want to say. Got a little storage area right here. Just basic hangers and extra blankets and iron board. So coming out of this storage area here, you've got your mini fridge, coffee maker, ice bucket, microwave, an area here for storage. This is pretty cool look right here. There's another cubbies here for storage. And then swinging over to your left is going to be going into the bathroom. Very nice bathroom. It's got tile throughout. Look at where all the storage is for the hair dryer, washcloths, towels, all that stuff. Here's a look at the counter. Really nice counter throughout. My wife would like this. She's got a nice little magnifying light here for eyebrows, all that good stuff. Got a full body lotion. Mirror is really nice. Got some nice accent lighting on the outside of it. Nice wallpaper throughout. There's the toilet. And over here is the shower. So we got a tub shower. Got our body wash, shampoo, conditioner, full size right there, hanging on the wall. Nice tile work throughout the bathroom on the shower. A very nice hotel room. This is amazing. Very clean, very nice. Really nice here in Boston. I'll show you my view here in a little bit. And there's wallpaper throughout the room. So this is what the wallpaper looks like throughout the room. And then walking straight through here is the main bedroom. And this is the bed right here. You can see, take a look at the bed. There's a nice headboard on it, some nice art. And it's got two nightstands. There's the view right there. I'll get a little closer once I'm done here. And we got a little area for your shoes, luggage, whatnot. Sit down, put your shoes on, socks on, all that stuff. Got another mirror right here. And walking further in the room, there's a flat screen TV and more storage here. So you can put all your clothes and stuff in there if you want. This is what it looks like. Got a lamp over here in the corner of the room. And then there's some other lighting over here above each nightstand. And last but not least, I'll go ahead and show you guys my view. So here is my view here in the hotel room. Sun is setting here. It's an absolutely beautiful day here in Boston. You can't ask for a better day here in the Northeast. And just look at that blue skies, the clouds, sun setting. You got the foliage going on with the trees changing colors. So there's one part of my view. You got the road right here. And you guys can see the chaos here at the cars overlooking the road. It's very tight here. The roads are really tight. It's the only downfall I've really seen with this city. And then we got some buildings out in the distance. Absolutely stunning view with the water, the old school bridge right there. The water is stunning. You guys can see the trees are changing color right here. The sun's shining on them. It's absolutely beautiful. So there's some green and yellow and orange right there. You're not really seeing too much of downtown Boston with like the high rise and big buildings and stuff, but this view is breathtaking. If I had to choose water over city view, I would definitely go with water. So this is my view here in Boston at the DoubleTree, and I'll go ahead and close out this video for you guys. So as you guys think of the room, it was really pretty, wasn't it? Great room. Carpet's not too bad. I'm like, if I could choose carpet over hardwood, I really would choose hardwood, but the carpet's brand new. It seems like feels good on your feet actually. And that Murphy bed feature is really cool. So you can sectionize the room off. You got a main area with a bigger bed and TV with a barn door that closes off the room, and then you have the Murphy bed when you first walk in with its own TV as well. I thought that was a cool feature. I've never seen that before in a hotel room. This hotel is beautiful. It's very nice, very clean. I have no complaints at all. The accents in the room are beautiful, great lighting. There's wallpaper throughout, which is nice. The bathroom is really nice with tile. It's got my full-size body wash, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, all that stuff. It's nice having those full-size ones instead of those little sample ones. Boston's great. It's a great location. Again, I'm staying at the DoubleTree here in Boston. So that closes out the video, guys. Thanks again for all your support. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys in the next video.